Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Today we will learn worksheet from grammar topic, and that grammar topic it is sentences. Let's start with the exercise A. Insert the verbs and rewrite the sentences. Here in the bracket verbs it is given and we have to add in that given sentences. First one, we many deer near the river. So in verb it is not there, so we have to insert the correct verb. We saw many deer near the river. Now second one, Robert to London last month. Robert went to London last month. Third one, these men pots and pans. This man makes pots and pans. Exercise B. Rewrite each group of words as instructed. Here group of words it is given and in the bracket what you have to do that is given. Let's see first one. Glad I meet you too. So this is the group of words that we have to convert them in a statement. Answer of this group of words that we will write like this. I am glad to meet you. Now second one. Broken has this who glass. So this we have to convert into a question. Who has broken this glass? Now third one, shut Preet the door. So this we have to convert into a imperative sentence. Preet, shut the door. Now fourth one, brilliant, wow, idea, what is this? This we have to convert into a exclamatory sentence. Wow, what a brilliant idea this is. Now let's see exercise C. Write questions or answers for these sentences. First one, what is your name? My name is Neha. Now, this second one, it is sentence it is given, simple statement it is given that you have to convert into a question. First we have converted question into a simple sentence. Now here in second one, sentence it is given that you have to convert into a question. I live in Gujarat. Now, what will be the answer? Where do you live? That we have to convert in a question. I live in a Gujarat. That we have to convert into a question. So, answer will be where do you live? Now, third one. Do you have any siblings? Siblings that means real brother or sister. That means yours and your siblings' parents are same. Yes, I have one brother and one sister. Let's see exercise D. Rearrange the words to change these statements into questions. First one, Arun has been to the zoo. Has Arun been to the zoo? Second one, Horse and Harry are twins. Are Horse and Harry twins? Naren can sing beautifully. Can Naren sing beautifully? Exercise E. Rearrange the words to change these questions into statements. Are Mohan and Meera cousins? Mohan and Meera are cousins. Is Nana reading a book? Nana is reading a book. Will they help us? They will help us. Now exercise F. Circle or underline the subject in these sentences. Here sentences it is given. In this sentence two parts are there, subject and predicate. You have to identify the subject and you have to put circle or underline that particular word. First one, the park looks very pretty. So the park, it is a subject. So put underline here. Second one, we love playing chess. So we is a subject and rest of the part of the sentence that is predicate. So put underline or circle around the word we. Now third one, Smith wrote a letter. So Smith it is a subject and wrote a letter that is predicate. So put underline here the word Smith. Now exercise G, circle or underline the predicate in these sentences. She is my favorite teacher. So she is a subject and is my favorite teacher that is predicate. Second one, those roses are beautiful. So those roses that is subject and are beautiful that is predicate. Third one, Minnie was making kite. Minnie is a subject and was making kite that is predicate. Exercise H. Circle or underline the correct phrases. First one, the postman is knocking. Here in the bracket, two phrases it is given, in the wood and on the door. So correct answer that is on the door. The postman is knocking on the door. Second one, we went to Vadodara by rocket or by car. So correct answer that is by car. Third one, a giraffe has a long neck or a sore throat. So correct answer that is a long neck. Exercise I, rearrange the group of words to make sentences. First one, Misha always in the morning wakes up early. Misha always wakes up early in the morning. Second one, in the kitchen, some food there is. There is some food in the kitchen. Now, third one, around the park, 10 rounds they walked. They walked 10 rounds around the park. Here printing mistake it is there. So you can do correction that 10, here you have to write 10 instead of 10. So they walked 10 rounds around the park. Thank you. Have a nice day.